Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to find invoices in QuickBooks. First, navigate to the Sales or Customers section on your dashboard. This area provides a comprehensive list of all your sales transactions. You can quickly locate recent invoices or begin a more detailed search from here. We will cover using the search bar, applying filters, and reviewing transaction reports to efficiently manage your invoicing needs. For a rapid search, simply use the search bar available at the top of your QuickBooks interface. Type in the exact invoice number if you have it, or a portion of the customer's name. This powerful tool quickly scans your entire database, presenting relevant invoices within seconds. It is an excellent method for finding a specific document when you know some key details, saving you valuable time. When you need to find invoices based on criteria beyond a simple search, advanced filtering is your best friend. Head to the Invoices section under Sales and look for the filter options. You can filter by invoice status, like open or overdue, or select a custom date range, such as the last 30 days or the current quarter. This helps you organize and analyze your financial records effectively. Finally, for a broader overview or detailed analysis, leverage QuickBooks' robust reporting features. Navigate to the Reports section and choose a report like Open Invoices or Customer Balance Detail. These reports provide comprehensive lists and summaries of your invoices, allowing you to track outstanding payments or sales trends. You can customize these reports to include or exclude specific columns, giving you precise financial insights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.